If you're looking for a powerful, ready-to-go gaming PC, the Skytech Gaming Shiva II is a serious contender. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. This machine is built for high-performance gaming and content creation, combining premium components with great thermal design in a sleek white mid-tower case. At its core, it runs on the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X, clocked at 3.4 GHz with up to 4.6 GHz max boost. This 8-core processor delivers impressive multitasking performance and is perfect for gaming, streaming, or editing videos. It's paired with the NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics card, giving you next-gen ray tracing, DLSS 3, and the horsepower to run today's AAA titles in 4K Ultra HD at 60+ FPS. Whether you're playing Warzone, Fortnite, Elden Ring, or Helldivers 2, this PC is built to handle them all at max settings. The storage and memory setup is equally solid. It features a 1TB NVMe SSD, offering lightning-fast load times and boot speeds, up to 30x faster than traditional HDDs. It also includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM at 3200 MHz with heat spreaders for stability during intense gaming sessions. And with 4 RAM slots, you have the option to upgrade for even more performance down the line. Cooling is handled by a 240mm AIO liquid cooler, keeping temps low and performance high. The build also includes RGB fans and a tempered glass white mid-tower case that gives it a modern and stylish look. A 650W Gold certified PSU ensures reliable and efficient power delivery, even under heavy load. Connectivity is smooth and convenient thanks to 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, a range of USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort. You'll also appreciate the free gaming keyboard and mouse included in the box, so you're ready to plug in and play right out of the gate. Plus, there's no bloatware pre-installed, just pure performance. This system is assembled in the USA and backed by 1 year of warranty on parts and labor, along with lifetime free technical support, which adds peace of mind to your investment. So whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or someone who just wants a future-proof rig, the Skytech Shiva II delivers everything you need for an exceptional experience. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.